No one go.
Do you need to go on a vacation?
Redo that. You can't have that. Meanwhile, at the airport.
Hey, I guess I'm going to the Amazon rainforest in Brazil, so I'm gonna need to know how much a round trip it to Hey, I guess I'm going to the Amazon rainforest in Brazil, so I'm gonna need to know how much a round trip. Hey, I'm gonna need to know how much a round trip ticket is to the Amazon rainforest in Brazil, because I'm going to the Amazon rainforest in Brazil.
Well, it's about.
Oh, that's
You just-
perfect. Don't worry, we have all week.
Oh wait, wait.
So you've made it this far. How do you like your trip so far?
Well, I'm just on the plane. Hey, this is my armrest.
This is my armrest.
Alright. Hey, I'm gonna need how much.
Next.
Hey, I'm here to check in for my room.
How long will you be staying?
About a week or two. 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Okay, well, it's about $135 a night for a nice room.
What about your cheapies?
Cut.
Next, please.
I'm gonna need a room at this hotel.
Well, for a nice room, it costs about 100. Next, please.
Hey, I'm gonna need a room to stay in because I'm staying here in Brazil.
How long are you staying for?
1, 2 weeks. 1 week or 2? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? Not 3. 3. No. 1 or 2?
2.
2. I'm gonna need a room for 2 weeks.
Well, it's about $135 a night for a nice room. Here's your key. Next, please.
Hey, I'm gonna need a room to stay in because I'm staying in Brazil.
How many nights?
The tree's a bag.
Yeah, and there's many trees, such as coconut trees, kapok trees, benga trees, bamboo trees, mangrove forests, and jampu trees.
Let's do that. Yes. The tree's a bag.
Yeah, and there's many of them. Many trees, such as coconut trees, kapok trees, bengal trees, bamboo trees, jampu trees, and many mangrove forests. So, about the fruit around here, it's a very delectable bunch.
Yes, you could say that, young sire.
You're not going to need this microwaving book around here.
Because global warming is a major impact on the rainforest.
And microwaves contribute to global warming. So eat this fruit, because you can pick it straight off trees,
I
and it
was
tastes
reading that.
But you could also...
If I'm actually gonna live here, I'm gonna need to know at least one random fact about the place.
Oh, a random fact? Well, you should know.
Yeah, we do that.
Due to multiple murders in the Amazon River, I sentence you to lifetime in jail. Ha!
Wrong. Get in there.
For multiple murders in the Amazon rainforest, I sentence you to jail for life. Ha!
What are you talking about? I didn't do anything. What do you mean?
Yes, you did, sire.
Well, I guess I had it coming.
He sure